BRABUS Rocket GTS, 1000 horsepower. This is Brabus next level. Well done. Single hand 360 James Bond turn on camera. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you all with this. Long time no see today in the new year 2026, starting with the all new Brabus Rocket GTS, 1000 horsepower based on the SL63 AMG. But as you can already see, we are not in Germany or at Brabus HQ, we are in Finland. We are at Continental Tuning, high performance tuning day here in Finland. We have quite a lot of cars, for example this Latte Cayenne, we have AC Schnitzer, we have ABT, this is the RS3 for example, and since I am Mr. Benz, this is the car that I've chosen, the Brabus 1000 Rocket GTS. 1000 stands for 1000 horsepower this thing is literally producing, and the GTS is all about its form. I mean, when you just look at it and looking at the base car, which is an SL63 soft top convertible, this makes me wonder, how did they actually do it? Their body is all carbon fiber, is made in Germany by Brabus. And in today's video, I want to just quickly walk you through and have some fun on the snow. This is how the car looks from the back. You can see some guys having fun in the back. This will be us in a few minutes, just talking you through the body. That's how they have designed the back with this cool little ducktail. Now is a shooting brake. So the GTS Grand Tourer shooting brake made by Brabus is the most German thing I've ever seen. There will be only, I think, 25 ever made, or 15 if I'm not mistaken. The price is €1 million and it's producing 1000 horsepower. Let me show you the engine if you don't believe me. Here we go. All you gotta do is pull this, close this, 3, 2, 1. Watch this. Underneath the carbon fiber bonnet, you can see we have the 4.5 liter V8 bi-turbo by Brabus, producing 1000 horsepower. Here you can see this is the hard piece of its kind. It's actually based on the 4 liter V8 by AMG, and Brabus has decided to give this a little bit of Brabus flavor. 1000 horsepower with the signature of CTO of Brabus, Jörn Gander, the man, the myth, the legend. He is the Mr. Brabus, if you ask me, and responsible for that bad boy here. 1000 horsepower, let's get it on. So Brabus has decided to go all in with this one, making the car way wider. I mean, the overall front, everything has been changed. So what they do is they strip the entire car, everything down, remove it, put it in the trash, and then give this car a full carbon fiber body. When just looking at the side, this is quite an interesting approach. There is also another vehicle that Brabus done, which looks even cooler. Look at the GTC here with the red carbon. They've released it, absolutely beautiful. They showed it at Pebble. And you know, this is the direction that Brabus can go. In the future, we will be seeing quite a lot of Brabus made and designed vehicles like this. So we'll be based mostly on Mercedes products or something else maybe coming in the future. Anyways, and here we have the GTS, which is based on the E Performance. So we have a hybrid here, 4.5 liter hybrid. We get, I think, 204 horsepower from the hybrid motor, and the rest is all coming from the V8, if I'm not mistaken. How do you guys like it? Let me just show you the trunk for a second, because all of this has been changed and built by Brabus. Just look at that. As soon as you buy one, you get this cool back here, full finished in the leather of the car itself. You can see the charging ports, and since we have a hybrid, we have limited space, unfortunately. Just closing the back. Yeah, that's how the car looks. When they actually showed the first car, it was full black. This one, however, as soon as we have a closer look, see, is a, not at this point, we'll be talking about that in a second. This actually is a blue carbon car, full blue carbon. It's actually deep blue, very dark finish of blue carbon. And when they showed the full black one, the car, the rear, especially the exhaust tips, were illuminated. Let me show you a picture of how that looked. Unfortunately, we didn't get that for this car here in specific. Since the car is sitting on winter tires, we have the smaller wheels. Summer tires and summer wheels would look like this. These are sitting on, I think, Continental Winter Contact S, exactly. The best to go for. Continentals, Mr. Benz and Continental are best friends. And that's where we are. Thanks so much to Continental for flying us out here, for us having so much fun out on the snow. Anyways, that's about the car itself. Let me do a sound check and let's drive and drift it around. Let's go. Yeah guys, since it's way too cold, the engine will be running all day long. I mean, yeah, it's minus 20 degrees here. Yeah, and here go with the sound check. 3, 2, 1, let's get it on. Yeah, really cool. Titanium exhaust. As soon as you have a closer look here, it's carbon fiber detail and then titanium. Lovely. It's all finished in carbon fiber. I told you, except for this part here, which I think is finished not in carbon fiber, since we have the sensors all around. They've told me that the sensor cannot go through carbon fiber. That's why they have a transition here. It's all carbon fiber except for the areas of the sensor. How do you guys like it? Just keep in mind, all of this didn't exist. It's all made by Brabus. Especially the glasses, the windows, everything is made by Brabus. And this is Brabus next level. Well done. Okay, it's time for, yeah, the Brabus show. Let's go on, let's go. Yeah, guys, we are right now on a frozen lake, and that's why we can do this kind of stuff. Really cool. Love this. Amazing. I mean, we've turned the ESP off. The car is driving in race or Sport Plus, and then we can do a lot of fun as we have a lot of space, and this is all a closed track just to have fun with Continental. Continental tires, the best. All right, let's get on. The ESP is off. I'm literally filming with one hand, which I am allowed to since we are here in a closed track. As soon as I fully push it, we start sliding. This is insane. And this car is really easy to control. Oh, we have so much space. Look at this. We do a spin, 360 spin, literally 360, almost 360. And 360 spin. Doing a James Bond turn here. For 360, all you gotta do is let the car go, and when it's facing the other way again, then you just floor it. Let me just try it here on cam. Okay, the car literally put itself in neutral as we were going backwards. Just putting in drive again. We are in race mode, as you can see. Let me clear this all up, turn the lights on so we can see a bit more. We have an RS3 right in front of us. This is so cool. I mean, we have so much fun here on the ice. One turn here, just letting the car go by itself, just tapping it, right? We have so much power, 1,000 horsepower. Look at this, just going sideways. This is insane. Insane power, insane fun. I mean, if I would be rich, this is what I would do all day long. Let me just do it last time for you. Let me just wait for the Audi to come back. Then we have some more space here. All right, because I want to try to do the 360, the James Bond turn. All you gotta do is put the car in second gear. Full turn here. Okay, okay. We got it. There we got it. Yeah. Single hand. Single hand. 360 James Bond turn on camera. This is so cool. Whoa! Putting the engine all the way up to 8,000 RPM. The sound is so good. Whoa, insane. Insane. So that's about it. You can't do this longer than 5 or 10 minutes, as this is a lot of pressure on the engine, and I don't want to break the car. I mean, literally, technically it's capable of doing that, but I don't want to force my luck here. It was so much fun. Thanks for watching. Do you guys want to see more of this kind of videos in the future? Let me know. Already looking forward to see you all again, and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.